Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander XLS, stock reference number 5113. The shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 10th month 2012. It has a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which has 3 small dents, tidy front bumper cover, radiated grille, right hand Zenon headlight, left hand fog light, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand Zenon headlight, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 1 small dent, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tailgate garnish, upper tailgate appears to have no damage, lower tailgate has 2 small dents, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loon and neck, right hand tailgate garnish, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior with cloth inserts, black cloth center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.